Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove text from our video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. If we want to remove text, we need to duplicate our video. We can right click on our video and then select copy, and then we can right click again and select paste. Okay, and we're going to use mask to cover the text. We're going to go to the video and then select mask, and then I'm going to select the circle mask, and we can adjust the position and also the size of the mask, and we can take another part of our video to cover the text. I'm going to take this part, for example, because I think this part will be suitable to cover this text. And I'm going to go to the basic again, and we can drag the mask to cover the text on our video. Okay, you can increase the size of the mask. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Hold on guys, I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, and to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the adjustment, and then you can adjust the lightness or the contrast. It's up to you. I'm going to adjust the lightness just a little bit like this to make it more natural. Okay, it's perfect, and this is the final result. As you can see that the text has been removed from my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove text from our video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!